Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you maximum capacity for each program in the LG washer F2. So the first program, it's a cotton, and there we have the maximum load, so 8 kilograms. In the Eco, same 8 kilograms. For the pre-wash and cotton, 8 kilograms. For a cotton in 20 degrees, it's a 4 kilograms. The colors 8 kilograms, wool 2.5 kilograms. The rising 8 kilograms, anti-allergic 4 kilograms, the unpumping and spinning 8 kilograms, and it depends of your previous washing cycle. The next one is a hand washing, it's a 2.5 kilograms, synthetics 3.5 kilograms, the beds are 2.5 kilograms, the jeans and dark clothes 3.5 kilograms, the quick 60 minutes 4 kilograms, the quick 20 minutes 2 kilograms. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.